Hey, what's happening, y'all? This your boy Dominoes Seven here. Welcome y'all to my Facebook Live and YouTube. Is that right? Oh yeah. All right. I'm out here on Conti and let me see if I can. All right. As y'all can see, there's that unfinished building collapse. They've been working on it for a couple of years. So on that note, it must have just. Oh, a crane fell. Yep. As y'all can see over there, a crane. Y'all seen what happened?
No.
Look like a crane that fell on it or something.
I see.
I saw it on my YouTube, so I say I have to come out here. You know, I'm doing a show for YouTube, but first Facebook Live.
All right.
So I ain't gonna put y'all on if y'all don't want to be on.
No. Yeah.
All right, I ain't gonna put y'all on. It's just a news conference, so unless y'all want an interview.
Oh no, we're good.
All right. So anyway, I saw on the video that the thing down there had collapsed. If y'all watching on somebody else's channel, though, you know. So I wonder how many of y'all watching. So I'm on the corner, Conti and Rampart. If y'all can see, okay. Yeah, Duke Carter's out here earlier, you know. So Duke Carter was out here doing his footage and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do mine too, you know. So there's police on the scene. I hope nobody was injured. I want to ask somebody, was somebody injured? So if y'all know if somebody was injured. Y'all know somebody injured? Oh, because it must have just happened like a couple of minutes ago. You think?
About 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Oh.
9:30 this morning.
9:30?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm doing the footage myself.
Sure.
Facebook Live, but it'll be on YouTube after a while.
Yeah.
All right. So if I'm talking, I'm not talking to myself.
Understood.
All right. So ladies and gentlemen that's watching my show, I'm just talking to a passerby. That's all. You know. So they've been building this thing since I think since about 2015 or 2016. I think. You know. Much as I used to pass around here on the bus on the campsite and stuff like that. You know. Okay. I'm pretty sure they've been building this. Should I go around and nah? I don't think so. So anyway, folks. If anybody that's watching on YouTube or Facebook or whatever, got my footage, stuff like that. So on that note, so you know what happened? So somebody must have got injured or something, you know. It said it since 9:30 this morning, you know. So I have to. Nobody can walk down there though. But I can't walk down there. If they want to get the canal or whatever, they have to go around, not over there. I'm gonna go another way, you know. So if you're from New Orleans and you're in Houston and you're watching this, wherever you're living in New Orleans, this was going down. I want to say only in New Orleans. This can happen anywhere, you know. It must have just collapsed without warning, huh? Sir?
Yeah, no, I haven't heard anything.
Well, okay. Let's go around. I'll take a break. So let's go around. While I'm talking to you folks right here. So This is where the bus turns, you know, and and the Franklin and the St. Cloud and the Esplanade has to do a detour, you know. So as we go around, and see what the heck is going on, we gonna go check. We gonna go check around and see what the heck is going on. All right. So as y'all know that we gonna go get a closer look of what we can't go down that way, you know. So we can't cross we can't cross the tape, you know. As some of you already know. So I just hope that, well, I just hope that I'm not doing this for somebody else's page, but I'm not, you know. I don't know why the hell I say that. All right. So okay. Okay, look at that building. Can y'all? Well, we will. Oh, all right. Well, police officers have to be low. Okay, so now I'm a beaten. Okay. Wow, look at that destruction over there. Can y'all see? Happened early this morning, you see? So, yeah, I didn't even know that was so weak. You saw that? So somebody said it happened at like early, like 9 something.
What?
It collapsed.
It collapsed, that's it.
Yeah, it must have was a crane or something. One of them cranes or something. I'm just guessing, you know. So and the bus is doing the detour right now. So let's over here get a closer look if y'all can, if we can get closer. I'm doing a show. All right, I'm just letting people know I'm doing a show. Okay, y'all can see. All right. So they decided to walk on this side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going. All right. All right. So. Oh, they, oh, 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 get up, get up over here. So, make it up. So, oh, and, look on. Well, I'm on this side where I was used to be. Okay. You know somebody injured or not?
3 people dead.
Oh, dog, dead. Oh. Yeah, I'm just sorry.
One dead, 3 missing.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, 1 dead, 3
As y'all heard, one person dead. How many missing? Three people missing Sorry about that, folks. I'm trying to put this over. All right, I'm sorry about that. I'm having trouble with my live stream, you know. So I ain't going over that. So it's kind of like so I'm going to be on the side. I'm sorry about that. I'm having trouble trying to make y'all see have a building lamps. Keep saying I want to tag. I'm always having trouble. Without just making me folks, because I'm trying to, but it's not letting me. It's sure not letting me. You know, so I apologize for this, folks. You know, so I'm trying to flip this around. You know, this around. Not let me. Well, I'm sorry, folks. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, so much down. Yeah, I'm struggling and all that. I might have to go